Hi, this is Dr. Ines, who will show you how to take accurate impressions of your teeth using your SmileBox. Make sure to start by reading through your manual and laying out the content of your box on a clean table. Let's get started. Wash your hands and put on the gloves. This tray is for your lower teeth, and this one is for your upper teeth. Unpack one white and one purple putty and place them in your hands. They will only start setting when they come into contact with each other, so that's when you start your timer to 1 minute. Mix together one purple and one white putty until they turn into a uniform purple color without streaks. Ensure to mix energetically as demonstrated, pushing the putties into each other. Before the 1 minute is over, mold the mix into a sausage-like shape and place this in your tray as demonstrated. Set your timer to 3 minutes and press the tray over your teeth in a single steady movement. Use your fingers to press down towards the middle part of your mouth and stay completely still for the full 3 minutes. This stage can be extended to 4 minutes to allow enough time for the putty to fully harden. Once the time is up, remove the tray from your mouth, lifting the back ends first, then working your way towards the front gently. Check your impression by comparing it with the examples provided in your manual. Set this attempt aside and get ready to repeat the same process for your upper arch. Set your timer to 1 minute. Take one white putty and one purple putty. Start your timer and begin mixing your putties. Mold the putty into a sausage shape, then place it into your tray. Ensure there is enough material towards the front of your teeth to fully capture your gum line. Quickly set your timer to 3 minutes. Hit start and place the tray into your mouth, making sure to press evenly, starting from the back until the putty reaches your gum line. You can then rest your lips over the tray. Hold the tray in place for the remainder of the 3 minutes. Don't worry about the very back molars or wisdom teeth, as they won't be active in your treatment or covered by the aligners, so their impression doesn't need to be captured. Once the timer goes off, carefully remove the tray from your mouth and set the impressions aside. At this stage, don't forget to take a picture of your first attempts that you can upload via your app account for one of our dentists to review and give you feedback. Once your first impressions have been checked, follow the advice you're given and repeat the process until you've captured a total of 6 impressions, 3 upper and 3 lower. Follow the return instructions provided in your manual and reach out to us if you have any questions.